So I'm going to make some old-fashioned egg salad so I can make egg salad sandwiches and throw them on top of some lettuce all week long and eat off of it. So I make mine a little more modern version. Back in the day, we used to make it with mayonnaise and salt and pepper, and that was about it. Maybe some pickle relish. But I make mine by putting in a rainbow of vegetables in it. So I've got some finely chopped red pepper, some celery chopped finely. It was the center, so I even have the leaves in there. I have some finely chopped green onions. Make sure you chop those finely because you don't want big bites of onions all the way up into the green. And then I have some shredded carrots that I'm going to put in. And instead of using mayonnaise, I'm going to use Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. All right, throw it all in a bowl. Right now, my hard-boiled eggs are cooling, but I don't cool them completely because if you do it when they're hot, then it helps absorb some of the flavor of the herbs and seasoning I'm going to put into the egg salad. Little trick my mother taught me years ago with potato salad. Always do it with hot potatoes, not completely cooled potatoes, because then it brings in all the flavor into the potatoes. So I'm not going to put, I never measure it, I'm just going to put about 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt for now. I put curry powder in mine, and I'm going to put about a teaspoon for now, and I might add some more. By adding the curry powder, it gives it kind of a deviled egg taste to it. Plus the turmeric and the curry powder is very good for you. If you're not familiar with curry powder, it's actually a mix of different spices together. There isn't a curry plant. Cumin is one of them that is in curry powder, but I'm going to put a little extra cumin in because I like cooking with cumin and it's good for you. To even add some more flavor, I'm going to put in a little bit of Cajun spice, just a little, about a half a teaspoon at the most. All right, my eggs are ready. They're still warm, not hot. And notice that there's no green around the border between the yolk and the white. That means they're perfectly cooked. If it turns green on the outside of the yolk, you cooked them for too long. Everybody's stove is a little bit different. I cook mine, I bring the water to a boil, and I cook mine for about 7 minutes, let it sit in the water for about a minute, and then let it cool with some cold water, and then they're ready to crack open once they cool a little bit. Never peel your eggs over the bowl because that's how you get shells in the bowl. All right, with a large fork, we're going to start mashing things up. And there you have it. Egg salad with a ton of vegetables in it, salt and pepper to taste. Throw it between 2 pieces of bread and you've got your salad. You've got it like a salad sandwich. So I've toasted up some bread. I'm going to make myself some nice lunch with my egg salad sandwich. Ooh, look at all the vegetables in there. Oh, I can't wait to taste this with the curry. I actually made it yesterday, and the curry just gets even better the next day. It's one of those things that it's always better after refrigerated. And the next day, the yogurt keeps it nice, keeps it together along with the yolk. Yum. Oh, this looks fabulous. Look at that. Oh, yummy. Yum. So tell me how you make your egg salad. What are the things you put in it? Let me know down in the comments. And thank you for watching Forgotten Cookbooks, the home economic class you didn't know you needed. We invite you to watch all our vintage recipe videos, from our Eating Like a President series to browsing vintage cookbooks.